Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC 25T-up-W. This is a wireless, it's an NEMA enclosure, wireless count up timer. It's controlled by a 2.5 gigahertz radio handheld controller. Comes with a belt clip on the back. And it's two simple really operations: to start and stop, and reset. This radio is good to up to 150 feet away, and you don't have to be looking at it. It's RF. So also the NEMA enclosure is a polycarbonate enclosure. And then this specific customer, they ordered 3 of them, and they wanted a 9-foot power cord brought out, and this is a NEMA-rated power cord. So it is a wireless count-up timer, and then the handheld controller is a 9-volt battery. We recommend changing it every year or couple years. And basically, that's the operation. DC 25T-up-W with a NEMA enclosure. Thank you.